So hi hello friends and family, welcome to Afford to Adore. Well, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this easy and spongy whole wheat banana cake at home. Yes, it's so easy to make and tasty to have. So you guys should try this at your home and you guys would love this recipe. And also I'm gonna share some hot and spicy news with you. So stay tuned and let us jump into the video. So our first step is to make the cake tin. Here I am using this bowl to ensure that we don't need any cake making materials. We could easily make this with the utensils we have at home. So I have taken this bowl and added some and I greased with refined oil and dusted with wheat flour. You can also use maida, but refined oil is the must thing because you cannot add any other oil. It may give some flavor. So here I have taken a mixer jar and added 2 ribbed banana and half a glass of sugar and 1/4 glass of oil and blend well. And I have transferred this mixture to a bowl. As you guys can see that I'm using all the materials and ingredients which is easily available at home. So you guys can obviously make this recipe today itself. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk to add some moisture to our cake. Make sure there is no crystal sugar left inside our batter. And here I'm using a kadai to bake, so I'm gonna preheat for 10 minutes in stove. And I've added 1 cup of whole wheat. You can also use maida. So did you guys hear about this news? Our US government has allowed a new force called Pentagon New UFO Task Force, which means it has been allowed to research about the UFOs, and 2020 is giving us a vibe, right? Yes, it's so funny to hear, but still. So let us get back to the video. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm adding 3 more tablespoons of milk to add some moisture to our cake and also to make our batter a little more a fluid consistency. Our last and final step, which is really important because we are not supposed to overmix our batter. Overmixing can lead to a solid textured cake. We don't need that. We need a spongy and soft textured cake, right? So don't overmix that. Mix properly, but do not overmix it. Have you guys heard that this shit COVID-19 is not gonna leave us alone because it has been taking a bigger single day spike of 3,245 new cases in West Bengal, and total number of COVID cases are 1,32,364 in the state, including 27,804 active cases and 1,1,871 discharges cases. So for a death is 2,689. See, is this corona shit is gonna leave us? I'm eagerly waiting to kick the ass of COVID-19. Aren't you guys? Here I'm pouring this batter to a dusted tin and I'm using a fork to level it out. And tap 15 to 30 times to ensure there is no air bubble left inside. And I'm gonna bake my cake in kadai. You can also use pressure cooker or any heavy bottom utensil. And cover this and bake it for 25 to 35 minutes. The baking time may vary because of the utensil you're using and also the flame level in your stove. And I'm using a fork to ensure the cake has been baked so properly. And if it comes out clean, then your cake is ready. So let us. Our cake has been through a lot of shit. So let us keep it in a room temperature and let it cool down for 20 minutes. And we'll take this out from your cake tin. Guys, this recipe is so easy to make as you've seen it, and it's so healthy as well as tasty. So you guys should definitely try this at your home. And we don't need any modern equipments, right? So you guys could obviously try this at your home. And see how our cake has been come out so well. It's so soft and even it's so yummy to have. And definitely here your teeny weeny stomach is craving to have this cake. So definitely make this recipe for your tea time break. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like, and press the bell icon button to get notification about my videos. And until then, this is bye from Afford to Adore. So stay safe and kick the ass of COVID-19.